This has been one of the most asked questions that I've seen in any Facebook forum for the last 12 months, and find out the answer in today's video. Hi guys, Sean here from Star Marine with some guy
I'm Jay.
don't know who he
I've
is.
got my new shirt on. I've got my new shirt on.
It's been so long since
I've got my new shirt on.
since I've
That's
seen
because
you.
Sean's been a TV star, but we can't talk about it because we signed for the NBA. Whoosh!
You've been on holiday. You've
No, I
grown
haven't been
a
on holiday.
beard,
I have grown a beard.
You've got another dog.
I've had a dog for ages. Don't make it out like you haven't seen me.
It's almost like anyone who's been watching our videos will know that I've had to do the filming by handheld camera without any device of any kind. Hi guys, Sean here from Star Marine.
And what you'll see in a minute is me doing an impression of Sean with his handheld camera, which Miguel will then edit in, which I haven't recorded yet, but I'll record it once we're finished.
So anyway, Jay's
Yes.
here.
Hello, everyone.
And what you really want to know is, firstly, what is the question? And then what is the answer?
So the question is that you've all been asking, is Jay gay?
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Well, the answer is...
Not on
No.
camera.
Oh.
Don't come out on camera.
No?
You should call your mum first.
No, I've just got rid of her. I didn't mean it like that. She started watching our videos. I noticed. My mum and dad have been here for a month, and they started watching the YouTube videos. I realised a couple of things we used to say. So, love you, Mum. Thanks for coming to see me at 6:30 in the morning for 3,000 baht before you left. It was nice. Alright, anyway, what's the question, Sean, that everyone's been asking on Facebook?
Everyone, and it's nothing to do with boat tours.
Is it not?
No. They've been asking, when will Big Buddha reopen?
Why?
So, before we answer the question,
Yes.
let's first talk about what happened, Jay.
Well-
if I'm a first timer and I had no even idea that Big Buddha was closed, what happened?
Okay, a few years ago, many years ago, 10 years ago, they started building this thing called Big Buddha. It's big, and it's a Buddha. And actually, people donated money, and you could go there and you could buy a tile and stuff. And they built this huge Buddha. It's massive. It's about this high. Miguel put how high it is on there. There you go. It's huge and it's
And
beautiful.
here's a great drone shot of it.
Yes, I did do drones. Yeah, I've done drone before. So it's really, really beautiful. However, was it last year or was it 2024? It was 2024, yeah.
Almost 2 years
So
now.
2024 we had a really bad monsoon season with loads of rain. And unfortunately, where the Big Buddha sits on the top of a hill, there was a landslide that came down from it, and sadly, it did kill some people, which isn't good. We actually were part of the rescue effort, or the relief effort, not rescue effort, because that was part of the relief effort. So, they then discovered the Big Buddha may have been part of the problem.
So
Can I say that or not?
This is the part where I'm going to step in and, for
Lawyer.
legal reasons,
Legal reason, allegedly.
say we can tell you no more than that.
Oh, is that it?
If you would like to find out why Big Buddha was closed,
Just
there
search
are-
on the
you
old
can search on
Googly.
Google.
Yeah.
But it was closed.
Okay, so it was closed, and it was closed for a long time. However, it sneaked us, because it is a huge tourist thing. It's a massive,
Yes.
it is beautiful, and it is stunning. The views from up there are beautiful. You see the whole of Chalong Bay, you can see the whole of Kata, and in fact, when you
It
drive
was-
down, hold on, finished yet, Sean. I'm here now. When you drive down to either PP or Shushy Noise, Coral Island or Maiton, you can actually see it as you're on the boat, can't you? It is beautiful and it is stunning, especially at sunrise or sunset.
And it was one of the attractions to Phuket. It was on
Yes.
the to-do list
It
of
was.
things to do.
There was loads of ATVs up there, horrible elephant places that you can go and do horrible things to elephants, not like that, all that kind of stuff. So it was a very, very big tourist area. However, it did close, but they sneakily said on January 1st that they reopened it for one day.
Yes.
For one day, and we did a whole blog, I did a whole blog post about it, did a whole social thing about it.
Because
and
we
then-
thought it was going to open
Yes,
forever.
forever. And then January 2nd, we went, we're only opening for one day. Thank you, they closed it. However, today, Sean, March 4th, as we record this, did you know President Reagan got married?
Yeah.
Same day.
Wow.
Big Buddha's open!
So officially, Big Buddha is open.
I think it opened yesterday on March 3rd, to be fair.
Actually,
Because that was Mata Butcher Day yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it might have. But the news came out today. No, actually, you're right. The news came out yesterday.
I am right.
And so it is open. You can visit it. It's back to normal. My understanding is that, you know, there's a bunch of rules about visiting Big Buddha that you should go and Google and research.
Cultural rules, you should dress appropriately. Don't go in bikinis, don't go in vest tops, don't just look slutty. Dress nice.
And certainly don't go at 2 p.m. because it is hot and there are a lot of stairs.
And don't take a big chang with you or anything like that, because that's not nice either.
It is a religious site, and for Phuket and the residents of Phuket, the reopening of Big Buddha, not just as a tourism destination, but as a religious site, is a big thing.
That's right, it is a big thing, and it's worth going to see. It's one of those things that you need to tick off your list if you're here in Phuket.
Yes.
Obviously a 5-star tour, or 3, and then a Big Buddha would be nice.
People always ask me, what should you do when you come to Phuket? It's kind of like, you got to go to a night market, you got to probably go...
Weekend market. Nakkerd Market's a bit touristy. The weekend market in Phuket town's really good.
You probably got to try some kind of street food.
A somtam for me, or the I like the pork. I like the pork skewers. They're nice and sticky rice.
You got to go island hopping.
Yeah, we're going to do a video about that. I prefer PP, but there are some nice places in Phang Nga Bay as well. In fact, I was out there with my family. It's lovely, actually.
You got to go and see the elephant.
You do, and go to a nice elephant place where you don't.
Our friend.
Yes, Cam. Go see Cam. Phuket Nature Elephant Reserve.
And he's got all these new ratings and everything.
He's very cool, and I like Cam.
Cool.
And he's from New Zealand, which makes him nice because he says dick. And yeah, a lot, which is nice.
So it's reopened, you can visit it.
Yes.
Add it back to the to-do list. That becomes part of that. Remember we did a video about, what would you do if you had 3 days on Phuket or 5 days on Phuket?
Yes.
And one of the days we always said was kind of pretty much do a city tour.
Should I reshoot that video?
Well, in that video, we
yes.
talked about Big Buddha being as
I think
something you should do.
I think Watch Chalong, Big Buddha was on there, Elephant Sanctuary was on there. In fact, everything you just said.
And then Prompt there, Sunset. Okay.
The windmill one.
Yeah.
Is that the windmill one?
I don't know.
I don't know.
The sunset was on it. But anyway, big news. Big Buddha's open. You can go and see it as of today. And you know what? With all the questions that have been asked in Facebook forum, I am guessing it's going to be busy. So probably get there early or get there late. Check the new opening hours because there will be new opening hours because whenever it opens, it's going to open with new restrictions.
That's right.
And it has not yet officially announced what those new restrictions are. The only way to find out about the new restrictions is to turn up on site and find out. Or maybe ask your taxi driver.
That's right.
Us as boat operators, unfortunately, our boats cannot drive on land and go to Big Buddha.
I'm just a canoeist now, Sean. That's all I do around here.
Except for during wet season when maybe we can take a speedboat to Big Buddha.
No, shh, don't talk about that. Anyway, Big Buddha's open. That's a video. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. And yeah, watch the other videos as well because it helps with the algorithm. Thanks.
And if you're going to go and visit, let us know. If you've got any extra information that's not in this video and you're visited and it's open, drop the comment below.
Good getting them to comment because that helps,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah, tell us what you think of the Big Buddha. Got it? Good. Say goodbye, Sean.
See you guys.
Bye. Are you ready?
Yes.
One step forward. We're going to count or
3,
clap?
2, 1.
And then clap. All right. So on the clap, we can start. Go. I'm ready to go.
3.
Hi. Go. Oh no. All right. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Guest that just got on that boat. It's really hot, by the way.